Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verification code on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And here you will update your app. So that's it, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.